There we go. Welcome. Just to give you a mid-morning feedback quickly. The Aussie dollar, I took a couple of scalps off there. Price had pushed down over, the opening was way down over here. You can see it actually opened right at our target. The target that was set from this move over here last week, it opened straight into the daily first level target, and there were no trades there. So I waited for a pullback up here, and I've taken a couple of shorts off this bar here and off this bar here. Very basic, just scalping basically. Okay, I'm expecting Aussie dollar to move to the downside today, but yeah, not a lot in it. I also traded a little bit on the euro yen. Let me just have a look here. Euro yen, let's pull that up. Okay, euro yen is did very much the same thing. Most of the currencies did a bounce today, okay, to the downside and then pull back. I know this gap had to close at some point, so I traded that. I did a buy off the bottom here, bought back into the level. When we got there, I took my profits off, and I also went south on here. I'm actually still in this trade. I took a trade to the downside, wanting it to go and test bottom edge down here again. Everything's looking fine so far. We had a nice entry right in this area here. This is where I'd expect the turn, and we're pushing very nicely to the downside. Currently, I think we're up a couple of dollars on that. Yeah, we're up about $80. Okay, so that's where we are now. That in terms of pips, actual pips profit, we up about 46 pips. All right. Okay, the next lot of trades I did was on euro dollar. Again, just a lot of scalping. Price opened very much the same as all the other currencies, way down here. We waited for the pullback back into our level, and I took a whole lot of shorts off here and took nice profits off the top here. And I actually waited. I had a long-term trend in here, but I got stopped out, and I never got an opportunity to get back in. So we missed out on this move down here, but we did quite a few trades up in this area, and we've done well with the euro so far. Nothing to be ashamed of. It was actually quite a nice little bit of money that we got off there. Then the pound, I was also trading in the pound this morning. Now all the pound trades were sells as well. That was coming back into my sell zone in here, and on this bar down we took quite a few trades right into profit. The profit target was hit. It actually was, again, there was a gap this morning, waited for the pullback, and just when it bounced down like this, I took all my trades in here, and we closed out. There were on the pound 1, 2, 3 trades, all of them scalps, guys. Nothing spectacular. Right now we very much sideways. I'm expecting a push to the downside again. If the opportunity presents itself, I'll jump in and go down again. All right. Then the other thing that we traded this morning was gold. Gold. Let's have a look at that. There we go. There's our gold chart. Yeah, you could see gold's been down. So again, there was this massive gap opening to the upside, and it pushed all the way down here, came back to the level, and then pushed further down. This area here for me is a buy zone. So we went long on here, traded up to there, went long there, traded up to there, and I went long here again and back to the upside. Quite a couple of trades in that area. We did I had one loser though. I was along off this area here, and it just turned and bolted on me, but I got stopped out. Nothing too terrible. Right, my stats for the day then look like this so far. Okay, here are all the trades. We did $521 for the morning. If you're living in South Africa, that's 5,200 Rand. Not a bad morning. So yeah, that's where we are right now. If you want it on a graph, save it as a detailed report. You can save it in there, and it'll give you an idea of what we did. There we go. We had 24 trades this morning, $554 win, a $32 loss, average of $21 payout to which gives you a profit factor of around about 16.8 for every trade. All right, and there we go. Have a nice day, guys. Be safe in the market. I'll speak to you this afternoon. If there's anything that comes around, I'll let you know. Have a nice day.